Hello everyone, welcome to the 9th lesson in our new customer onboarding video series. Today we'll discuss one of our newest customer-facing features, the NFIRS Import tool. The ongoing mission of new customer onboarding is to help you and your department get off to a great start using the best records management system for fire and EMS agencies worldwide. The objectives for this session include learning about the step-by-step process for importing NFIRS data, understanding the common pitfalls to avoid, and learning how imported incidents appear in the Incidents module. From the Welcome page, let's click into the Administration module. This session's topic is found within Imports. If you're a brand new customer, our team will handle the initial NFIRS import for you as part of your account setup. However, if you need to import NFIRS data after your initial setup, this is the place to go. Here you'll be able to take an existing NFIRS file from NFIRS or another records management platform and import the data directly into your Incidents module. Let's see how it works. Step 1 is all about preparing your data. A few key things to keep in mind. All incidents will be imported to the ERS cloud, which are our servers in Denver and Phoenix. Personnel can be mapped to existing personnel. This prevents duplicate entries for your existing personnel list in the event the spelling is different within an incident itself. The system will provide feedback indicating where it found any errors in the file. A couple other important notes. If multiple files are imported with the same incident number, the system will import only the first record and will ignore all subsequent occurrences of that incident number. Because the NFIRS import touches so many areas, we recommend this tool be used on a new empty account. If it's run on an account that already has data in it, be aware that any new people, apparatus, and ranks may be added to the system. Only valid data will be imported into the system. Any invalid data will be displayed to you, and the file will need to be corrected before being re-imported into the system. If multiple years of data need to be imported, I highly recommend splitting up the data by month to keep the file sizes and data manageable. File upload size is limited to 5 megs. Don't worry, that's a lot of incidents. And if you break it down by month, you won't come anywhere near that limit. Last but not least, here's where you can get an anatomy lesson on the NFIRS file. This link will take you to a knowledge base article that summarizes the arcane symbols and lines within an NFIRS data file. If you ever have to edit an NFIRS file, open it in a text editor, not in a word processor, since the word processor will add formatting that will cause an error message. Okay, let's click Next. Here you'll see a list of supported files that can be read by our import tool. Click Select a file, then choose the file you wish to import. The import tool will begin to run. If it detects any errors, you will be prompted to fix them and then re-import the file. Here's some common errors our team encounters regularly. Apparatus IDs are greater than 5 characters, that's limited by NFIRS. And zip codes aren't exactly 5 characters in length. And you can see we've got those right here. If you encounter this message, I recommend printing out this page and using it to assist you in correcting the errors within the file itself. Once you've fixed the file, go ahead and attempt another import. Same process. Click Select the file, choose your file. Once again, the system will let you know if the file is valid. In this case, it is. And go ahead and click Next. On the next page, you'll be prompted to map personnel to existing users. Some really important tips here. I strongly recommend that you import or add all your personnel in the Administration module before doing an NFIRS import. I say this for a couple reasons. One, if you have a really long list of unmapped users with your personnel appearing multiple times due to misspellings, etc., you'll be able to map them to existing personnel. This will prevent having duplicates created in your personnel list that you'll have to delete later. Second reason, in the event you need to import all your NFIRS data first, create at least one placeholder person in your personnel list, again in the Administration module, and then map any extra users to that one person. Our system's okay with that. The goal here is to prevent creating a super long list of personnel that you'll have to archive later within your administration module. At step 4, you'll receive confirmation of the users that the system mapped. Moving to step 5, simply click Import, and you'll receive a summary of the items imported into your system. Click Finish, and then from here you can navigate to your Incidents module to view your imported incidents. The system treats imported incidents like reviewed incidents by showing them with a green lock, but instead of reviewed, it'll say imported underneath the lock. Okay, now you're ready to import more NFIRS data. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support or training team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.